The image of a global community of creatives sharing their ideas online tells the story of people designing and making products today. A global community of designers, engineers, fabricators that's growing around the world. Join the global community on Wikifactory. Working in design studios, startups, fab labs, makerspaces, in schools, universities and libraries, in major cities to the middle of nowhere, with just a simple set of digital fabrication tools and a laptop. They are making telescopes to drones, educational robots to furniture, medical devices to farming kits. Learn from hundreds of projects that, thanks to their creators, are complete with all the files and documentation for you to get started. Get recognized for your expertise. Put your knowledge and skills to practice in projects with a social and environmental impact. Build a community around your new product that can help you accelerate. You can get involved today.